David Dutton, going over topic 2 for the written or video response prompts for exam 2. Prompt 2, I will be going over aquaculture. Can it be used in the prevention and conservation of fisheries? Discuss an example of how aquaculture is used either for production or in natural resource management. Well, let's first start off with what is aquaculture. Aquaculture is the farming of aquatic sea life or aquatic life, either for food or to use as a conservation effort to bring up populations in an aquatic environment. Basically, what aquaculture is doing for us is it's the new way of farming. It can be used either to give food or give back to the environment. So yes, it can be used for conservation because there are salmon programs in the northwest part of the United States where they'll grow fingerlings and then release the fingerlings after a certain time back into the wild. And then they come back to spawn and they start the whole process over. And it's slowly gaining traction to where the salmon populations are starting to recover. How an example of aquaculture would be fisheries or even a kelp grow. So they quarantine off basically like this little area that's protected in a water environment, and the fish or the plankton, or not the plankton, the kelp, the mussels, the shellfish are cultivated until they're ready either for harvest or re-entry back into the wild. For food production or just production in general, this really helps the environment due to it's really due to the fact that we can use it as a way of giving back and letting the sea recharge and restock, as well as it gives it a limited ecological impact. A while back, when we were watching the TED Talks videos for either a week or 2 weeks ago going over aquaculture, they said that 90% of the major predators in the seas, like tuna, swordfish, are gone. So are going to be 90% of the major predators like tuna and swordfish are gone. 1950s was the start of the study. Also, pros for us, we start using aquaculture instead of farming. There's more variety. And of course, fish, as we all know, has all those healthy oils and minerals in them. We all see our dads and moms taking fish oil out of a bottle, and we're like, that's disgusting. So we might as well give it a shot if it's going to save us a lot of headache in the future of worrying about food shortages.